Hello everyone, I am Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Sweet Treat by Deborah Schecter. I add the banana. I add the banana. You add the ice cream. You add the ice cream. I add the chocolate. I add the chocolate. You add the whipped cream. You add the whipped cream. I add the nuts. I add the nuts. You add the cherries. You add the cherries. We share dessert. We share dessert.